students, hope you all are doing well. I'm Supreet Kaur, welcomes all of you on our YouTube channel Smart PTE Tricks. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for your love and support. And today I'm here to announce that now we are arranging our online classes again. For some circumstances, we were not arranging online classes and we got some complaints from all of you who are interested. But now we are arranging online classes on time, especially reading and speaking modules. And if you are interested, you can contact us on the number given below, as our contact preferences are changed now. And again, I would like to thank all of you from depth of my heart, because with your love and support we are reaching here. And keep supporting.
As we weave through the fabric of our modern lives, let's pause to acknowledge the preservation of historical sites. These landmarks are not mere relics. They are vital narratives that define our collective identity and heritage. The preservation of historical sites serves as an educational resource. Each structure is a tangible classroom, imparting lessons about our ancestors' ingenuity, culture, and values. Studies show that students who engage with history in a tangible way develop a deeper understanding and appreciation for the past. Additionally, these sites contribute significantly to local economies through tourism. Preserving them not only honors our history but also promotes sustainable economic growth. According to UNESCO, cultural heritage sites attract millions of visitors each year, supporting local businesses and jobs. In safeguarding these treasures, we maintain a connection to our past, enrich our present, and invest in our future.
In the realm of academic achievement, balanced nutrition plays a pivotal but often underrated role. Today, let's digest the truth about how what we eat affects how we think and learn. Firstly, nutrition directly impacts cognitive function. A balanced diet fuels the brain, much like quality gasoline powers a car. Complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, and healthy fats provide the energy that drives our focus and memory. Research from the Global Council on Brain Health confirms that a diet rich in nutrients improves attention and cognitive processing speed. Secondly, proper nutrition is linked to better academic outcomes. Studies have found that students who eat a nutritious breakfast perform better on exams. This is because nutrients like iron and vitamins B and D are essential for concentration and mental alertness. As we strive for academic excellence, let us not forget that our dietary choices can be as crucial as our study habits. Feeding our brains with the right foods can be the edge we need to excel in our university pursuits.
In the tapestry of human history, cultural traditions form the vibrant threads that bind us to our heritage. These customs are a gateway to understanding the diverse ways in which societies celebrate, mourn, and mark the passage of time. For instance, festivals around the world are not just spectacles of joy, they are profound expressions of communal identity and continuity. In parallel, traditional cuisines offer more than a feast for the senses. They are historical records on a plate. They tell stories of migration, trade, and innovation, shaping a nation's palate while reflecting its ecological and economic narrative. As university students, we stand to enrich our minds and souls by exploring these customs. Let us embrace cultural traditions as a means to foster global understanding and to weave the social fabric that connects us all.
Photography, since its inception, has not just been about creating images. It's a powerful tool that chronicles our world and experiences. The journey of photography began in the early 19th century with the daguerreotype, a process that created a single, unique image. This invention revolutionized the way we document life, making it possible to preserve moments in time forever. Since then, photography has undergone tremendous changes, from the introduction of color and digital photography to today's advanced smartphone cameras. Photography has played a crucial role in historical documentation, giving us visual insights into past events and cultures. Iconic photographs have the power to evoke emotions, provoke thought, and sometimes even spur social change. They serve as windows into times and places that words alone cannot fully capture.
Today, I am honored to talk about the Apollo moon landing, a momentous event that marked a new era in human history. On July 20, 1969, Apollo 11 landed on the moon, turning science fiction into reality and opening a new chapter in space exploration. The Apollo moon landing was not just a technological triumph, it represented the culmination of human curiosity, ingenuity, and determination. It showed the world what can be achieved when we dare to dream big and work tirelessly towards that dream. The iconic words of Neil Armstrong, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," encapsulated the significance of the moment. This landmark achievement also had profound implications beyond space exploration. It spurred advancements in technology, some of which we use in our everyday lives, like satellite communications and numerous aerospace innovations. In conclusion, the Apollo moon landing stands as a testament to human potential. It serves as an inspiration to all of us, reminding us that with ambition and collaboration, we can reach beyond the stars.